Hey folks, welcome to the GX channel. Let me ask you guys and girls a normal question. Do any of you slide the side of your hands up and down your ass crack and put it up to your nose because sniffing it gives you the ultimate high? I thought everyone did that, but when I Googled it, I found out the only people that did that were the lowest forms of human beings that serve no legitimate purpose for existence. So I made a conscious decision to try to find a way to keep my butt crack from sweating. This video will find a way to help correct Lexus's poor seat cooling system. Lexus has a tiny fan underneath its seats that has as much cooling thrust as the fans inside laptops. Go ahead, test it out. Turn on your seat coolers. Place your hands on the seats and let me know if you feel the thrust of cool air. To put more salt to the wound, their small fans rely on the warm air circulating around the feet of your backseat passengers. So folks, today we are going to find a unique product that will not only provide more cooling thrust to your butts and to your backs, but will also redirect air from your Lexus cooling system to the seat fan instead of the warm air festering around your backseat passengers' feet. A seller by the name of Neil, also goes by the username of Hid My Beer Engineering, came up with a product that does just that. So let's go ahead and check it out, folks. Look at this, wow. 3D printed, obviously. So it's going to take the outlet of your Lexus cooling system HVAC ducts and redirect it up into your seat cooling fan. The only way that's going to work is if there's no air leaks. We're going to test fit this section right here. We're going to put it on our HVAC ducts. Here's a second set right here, one for the driver and one for the passenger side. So let's go ahead and test this out. Very, very tight fit, and it's adjustable. To adjust, you're going to want to go inside your vehicle and go ahead and adjust your seat exactly how you sit. After you're done moving your seat to exactly to the position where you sit, go ahead and take this vent and move it to align with this fan. Can't wait to test this out. Holy crap, I can actually feel more thrust of air coming out of these seat pores. Holy smokes. To be honest with you guys, I thought this was a gimmick, but it actually works. My seat is a lot cooler. I can actually feel the air coming out. Nice. So GX family, I am so sad that I didn't find this product a lot earlier, especially at the beginning of summer. We are way into winter right now, and only now am I discovering this awesome product. It is not a gimmick, it actually works really, really good. So thank you, Neil, Hid My Beer Engineering. Your product is awesome. Link below the video if you guys want to purchase it.